In a bright, blooming jungle lived Honey Bear and Sunny Parrot, the best of friends. Honey's soft heart and Sunny's colorful cheer made them inseparable. But sometimes, even in the prettiest garden, Honey felt a little lonely. Sunny noticed Honey's sadness and asked, "Why are you sad, Honey?" To cheer his friend, Sunny gave Honey a bright red feather, a gift of friendship. Honey hugged the feather, Sunny sang a joyful song, and magic returned to their beautiful garden. Honey and Sunny shared magic, friendship, and happiness forever in their wonderful garden.